Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to cancel a trade on ByBit. So to cancel trade on ByBit, follow this step by step based on the type of trade you want to cancel. So let's get started. So the first thing to do is to open the mobile app, which is the ByBit app on your mobile. Then go to the position or order depending on your trade type. Then once you're there, then find the open order you want to cancel. So just go there, find the open order you want to cancel from the trade. Then from there, tap cancel or confirm it. Then if you're on the web, which is if you're on the web version of ByBit, just log on to your ByBit account using your credential. Then from there, go to the derivative or spot depending on your trade type, which is very important. Then after that, click on active order or conditional order. Then once that is located, then locate the order and click on cancel. And that's a simple step-by-step guide on how you can simply cancel a trade on ByBit. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.